It has something very, vibrating inside. It is kind of like maybe. Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today we have two perfume comparison, Khamrah with Khamrah Qahwa. So both are from Lattafa Khamrah and Khamrah Qahwa. Let's find this out, which one wins and which is better to buy. So if you are trying to think which one to buy, let's find out in this video. So let's spray this normal Khamrah. Khamrah means actually, it is a word from khumar. Khumar means that you are not in your senses. Okay, so let's see how it actually emerges and how good this perfume is. Very sweet, kind of like candy sweet kind of perfume. Vanilla, yes. Cardamom note is there. Cardamom is very lovely over here. It's a bit aromatic. Benzoin, cardamom, these are the two notes, so that is why it's very sparkling kind of note. So it is kind of like sparkling vanilla, sweet, toffee. There is a candy or toffee kind of note over here too. Fruity, yes, it is fruity. Fruity is actually kind of candy fruity. Cinnamon, I am not detecting much of the cinnamon over here. So it is kind of uplifting, overly sweet, candy fruity kind of aromatic perfume, which is Lattafa Khamrah. For me, I would suggest it for young girls or young people like maybe in their teens or maybe school going. For women, I would recommend this one, Lattafa Khamrah. Now it is getting better. It is having more woody or more ambery kind of tone to it. Fruity is very overpitched over here. Yes, I think this is a very good perfume, very economical, very affordable perfume for women. So if you want to give your teens or college going daughters some gift or some perfume that is affordable, I think this Lattafa Khamrah is the best. So let's try the other one now, Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa. So let's see how this kahwa or coffee actually smells. So in Arabic, kahwa is basically Arabic coffee. So let's spray this out, kahwa now, and see how it actually smells. So oh, it has a very prominent coffee, burnt coffee kind of note, and it is really it is really good imitation of Arabic kahwa, because Arabic kahwa is a bit has different tone to what the normal American coffee is. For me, I think this is more manly. This is more suited for men or teens, not very mature men like above 40 or 35, but anything below within the 30s, they can use this perfume. It has a coffee note. It has some cardamom, burnt coffee. It is not overly sweet like Khamrah. Oh, this is good. I think this is better for me. In my taste, this is better version of Khamrah because it has coffee and vanilla. So it is like you have vanilla flowers. It has something very vibrating inside. It is kind of like maybe cardamom note that is really interacting with the coffee or kahwa note. Yes, amber is there. It is sweet. It has vanilla. Now it is balanced like sweet vanilla, light coffee, cardamom. This is now what's going on inside this perfume. Very lovely perfume. So this is, I think, now I'm going to rate both of them. First, I think let's give numbers to Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa. So I would give it like 8 out of 10 for scent profile. Good balanced scent profile in this price range. I think this is a very good perfume. Yes, it is good. It has now cardamom on the lead right now, but it is a very good perfume. Men and women both can wear this. This is a better version of Khamrah in my opinion. If you are a man or a male, I think this would be more better choice than the other one. If you are a female, then I think that Lattafa Khamrah, the normal version, is good for you. So I recommend this Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa for men, and I am going to rate 8 out of 10 for scent profile. And performance, I am going to say 7 out of 10. It would be around average. I'm not sure because I haven't applied it on my skin for a day long. And Lattafa Khamrah normal one, I'm going to rate 7 out of 10 for scent profile, and it is more powerful because it is very, very sweet. So I think it is going to stay more on the skin. So it would be 8 out of 10. So this is my comparison between Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa and Lattafa Khamrah. And I would be, if I have to purchase, I would be purchasing Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa than this Lattafa Khamrah, the normal one, because I prefer the Lattafa Khamrah for women, Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa for men. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video, because a lot of viewers, they don't share any video. So if your friend or anyone who is trying to buy any of these, just show them this video. If you have used any of these, or if you have different opinion than me, make sure you write that in the comment section below. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.